I got my hair done. And I didn't have to pay nobody to do it. Yeah, I know I'm all about saving the coin. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kai. I'm back and I'm badass and normally and with another video, and today we're here with the hair tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this beautiful look, soft locks 36 inches. I'm going to show you guys that right now, so stay tuned, give this video a thumbs up in advance because I know you're going to like it, and enjoy. First, we're going to start with our freshly washed and blow dried hair. Now, what you're going to need is this Shine and Jam. I used a red jar. You need 2 rat tail combs, some grease, and this is the hair that I purchased. Because parting has always been so hard for me, I'm just going to show you guys how I do it. It's helpful that you use 2 mirrors so that you can see the back of your head at all times. As y'all can see, my first part is really crooked. It's not even straight. So what I'm going to do is make sure that this is the size that I want in the back of my head. And then I'm just going to clean my part up by going over with the rat tail comb. And eventually I'm going to add some Shine and Jam and then go over the part again just to make sure it's sleek and crisp. So here's me adding the Shine and Jam to the part. I comb above and below where I parted just to make sure that that section is nice and crisp how I want it to be. And then I'm just going to go in and clean up where it needs to be cleaned. That's how I part the first section of my hair, and now we're going to fast forward to me doing the best to add it now since I can see all of my scalp as opposed to when I just add the hair and the look is complete. So after this, I wrapped my hair up and went to bed, and I'm going to catch you guys tomorrow with the next part. This hair is like really easy to wrap and blend with the locks that I have, so I would definitely recommend using this hair. I showed the hair in the beginning, but be gentle with the ends because they're tight coils at the end, so you gotta really like loosen them and separate them before you use them. Okay, alright, so I will come back when I get closer to the top of my head so I can show y'all how I'm doing this. So now on to crocheting in the lock. You're going to put your crochet needle through your braid, and then you're going to open the hole that's on the hair wide enough so that you can grip it with the tool. Now you're going to hook the lock onto your needle, make sure that the latch is closed, and you're going to pull the lock through your braid. Make sure you don't pull the lock all the way through. You need to have hair on both sides for this next part. This part is done differently across multiple videos. Some people put their hair and the lock through the loop. Some people put just the lock, and some people put just their hair. Me, I'm going to put the lock through itself simply because when it's time to break down, I can easily just cut the lock without cutting my own hair. The pull to tighten, and it still may be a little loose, but you're wrapping your hair at the end to remedy that. Again, I'm placing my crochet needle through my braid. I'm opening my lock wide enough to latch onto the piece. I'm locking it and I'm pulling it through. Now I'm going to put the lock through itself and tighten. Now we're going to take our crochet needle back through our braid. Now we're going to take our wrapping hair. We're going to roll it up a few times just so we can get a firm grip on it and it's easier to hook with the crochet needle. We're going to hook it on just like we did the lock and make sure that the latch is closed before we pull it through. With this, you don't want to pull the hair all the way through because you do want hair on both sides. Now there's a short end and a long end. What you're going to do is place the short end with the lock in the braid, and you're going to wrap the long end around starting at the root. Normally wrap it around the root twice just to make sure that it's tight up there, and then I gradually work my way down the hair, making sure that the braid is covered at every point. It also helps when you wrap your hair around and you use your thumb to kind of just roll it around the lock. You can even hold the lock in place with your thumb and then just wrap it around with your index finger. I was trying a whole bunch of methods because my arms were tired. Fortunately, my camera decided to do her own thing and black out, so now I'm going to show you guys how I seal it. I spray a little Got2b and then rub my hands together around the lock, and that's how you seal it. So now I'm going to show you guys the same process from a different angle in case my hands were in the way. I ain't look this good in a minute. This is the mousse I use, Jamaican black castor oil. My whole head for real. Ooh, child. And honestly, all I'm doing is putting it in my hand. Then on my hair. I love this because I haven't had a straight black look in so long. Normally I do a color, brighten it up, but it's solid black. It's so sleek. This is about to look so good. The oil I'm adding is this Do Grow. Oh, God, it smells so good. Make sure you get them buckies. Where them buckies be at? So guys, this is the finished product up close. We have the 36 inches. We have the clean parts. We have the clear skin. We have her. It looks so cute. I love them. I have so much more content coming for you guys, and I just hope you guys are as excited as I am about
what's about to roll out. You feel what I'm saying? So I love y'all. Don't forget to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, mask over your nose. I'll see y'all next time.